We got it right this morning. Wait, oh, there we go. Ooh, it's a little drizzle. Okay, breakfast is served, friends. We have hard-boiled eggs, some papaya, watermelon, and pineapple, along with tea. Good morning, my beautiful friends. It's about to be 7:30. I have an early morning today. I signed up for a cooking class. So that starts at 8 o'clock and I have to meet them at Abood Palace. So I'm gonna take one of those little scooter rides. It's right up the street, which is nice. It kind of looked like it was raining a bit overnight, but you know, it's still nice out or whatever. So we're gonna meet at the market first. Like, we're gonna go to the market first, and then we're gonna go to their home to cook this meal. I can't remember what it is that we're gonna cook, but you will see it soon enough. So let me go ahead and enjoy my breakfast, and then I will catch y'all at the market. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I've been traveling on the road for 5 years now, and it's officially time for a change. I've put my home in storage, left my fur baby in the care for godmother, and now it's time for me to explore and expand my wings outside of the United States. Join me as I navigate life on these international streets as a solo female traveler. Friends, it's raining. So I decided to not do a bike. Yeah, and I just requested a car pickup because I'm not gonna be on the back of nobody's bike and it's raining, like, so no. They'll be here in like 4 minutes. This is so sad. Our day began at the local market, and if you've ever been to a farmer's market, you'll get the vibe, but with the added twist of being able to drive your scooter through it. This market is open every day, rain or shine, and our first stop was one of the most important, the flower stand, where locals purchase flowers for their daily offerings. Each flower and its placement has a unique meaning, and if you're curious, check the video caption for more details. I gave the flowers and gods' names a shot, but I don't want to mispronounce anything, so I've included a website for you to dive deeper into it. Next, we stopped by one of the many breakfast stalls and vegetable stands before heading over to the cooking class, where we were introduced to all of the fresh ingredients we'd be using. Wow! Wow!
So this will be your kitchen.
Yay!
This will be your kitchen.
With a beautiful view.
Thank you. But we don't straight to the kitchen, okay? You have to relax first after the market. We'll give you traditional cake and oranges.
When we arrived at the family compound, we were warmly greeted by our hostess, Hayu. She led us to the common area, asked us to take off our shoes, and treated us to a refreshing traditional juice and some adorable green cakes.
So welcome to our kitchen, guys. Yeah. So this recipe is going to be yours.
Over the next 4 hours, I'd be learning how to make 7 different dishes, plus 2 key sauces to create a traditional Balinese platter.
That this will be different. And then also we need garlic.
Hayu guided us through every step, showing us the proper wrist motions to crushing peanuts into a paste, explaining the difference between ginger and galagal, and even demonstrating how they make their rice.
This is our sauna, because to cook in this kitchen so hot like in sauna. Yeah. So this is our rice. Making this kind of rice, we have many steps. The first step, soaking the rice in the normal water 5 minutes. And then after that, strain and steam here in about 15 till 20 minutes with the bamboo basket and hot water in the bowl. But the water is not full, just half.
Now, since this class was a 4-hour affair, let me take you through the process. We used all fresh ingredients, so there was a ton of food prep before the actual cooking began. Once we were ready, we made the 2 crucial sauces, peanut sauce and a basic yellow sauce. It was a lot of work, but Hayu kept things fun, and we had breaks in between where we got to sample everything we made, which made the time go by faster. Now, enough talk, let's get to cooking and check out this music while I work my magic in the kitchen.
Opportunity, live and learn, hey, go with the flow, hey, go with the flow, go with the flow, baby. Now every time the mind games, everybody seems to play. Well, it's a life lesson, cause that game is here to stay. If she leaves you for another, then text you with the news. Just thank her for a better understanding of the blues. Hey, go with the flow. Hey, go with the flow. Now it will dawn again tomorrow. If the universe behaves, so get on back and be done part of your life and start making waves.
And then the moment of truth. Our traditional platter was a feast. Chicken satay, steamed tuna wrapped in banana leaves, deep fried tofu in tempeh and sweet soy sauce, stewed chicken in chayote and the yellow sauce, mixed vegetables and peanut sauce, Balinese vegetable salad, and for dessert, Hayu treated us to a delicious black and white sticky rice pudding, and everything was absolutely delicious. I am back, my friends. I am making myself some lemongrass ginger tea from yesterday's, bike ride after we went to like the coffee plantation. I hate calling it a plantation, so I've been calling it a farm. So like the coffee farm. I have the water boiling, but y'all, today was amazing. It was such a great experience. I learned so much about the Indonesian Hindu practices and their beliefs and stuff like that. I learned a lot yesterday from Kadek, but Ayu, that is her name. Either it's AU, I believe it's Ayu. Ayu, she spoke so much, and of course, I'm pretty sure I've already discussed it in the video. She talked a lot about their practices and stuff like that, and it's just chef's kiss. How they treat each other, how they treat their family members, and their beliefs about reincarnation and everything. But I'm so tired. That was a 4-hour cooking class, and a lot of it was standing up, which is, not my jam, but I had on some really comfortable Crocs. But yeah, I'm tired. So I'm gonna have my lemongrass ginger tea combination, and I'm gonna lay in bed and kind of chillax for the rest of the day. Yeah. I ordered delivery via Grab for my food, so I don't have to leave the house. Yay. I ordered basically chicken lettuce wraps, Vietnamese veggie spring rolls, and then also like the vermicelli Vietnamese salad that's underneath. You can eat this cold, so I'm gonna eat this now, and then I'll probably have this maybe later on this evening. It's maybe like 6 o'clock. I'm hungry, but I feel like I'll be hungry later. It's a beautiful morning. Fruit, hard-boiled eggs, toast, and tea. And I'm down to one of my last juices that I purchased a few days ago. Yum, yum, yum. The next day, it was time for a bit of relaxation. Since it was my last day in Ubud, I decided to hit up another spa for a manicure pedicure and a 1-hour massage. As usual, I took a Grab to my appointment, and of course this time I brought my GoPro along so you can see the organized chaos on the streets of Bali. There are scooters everywhere, and while it can seem like madness, it's definitely the best way to get around. Otherwise, you'll spend hours stuck in traffic.
Having is good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down, winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in a vice grip. Way up when the virus clear. All the homies on the flight list. Verbally gifted, take the plot and I twist it. Got a big lit. Sex with the incense, got my mind rents, won't stop, I'm relentless. I'ma need safety, tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun on safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't face me. I'm going, I want a girl for the mouthpiece, so bright that it light on my face. Your shawty just call me a fave, cause she like my character traits. I never stop for a break. I put a lock on the game, I put a stock in my name, but I give a f about the fame. I took a bite out of life and it tastes so exquisite, it feel like you do when you look in my pendant. Hopeless romantic, my girl, chin up for the kid, I'm not on no simps. Won't stop till the youngest he dreams, wanna take him from rags to riches. I heard that you claim that you know me, but you ain't the homie, the f is your friendship. I need the loyalty, back up the royalty, I give a f if you notice me. Ain't nobody holding me, big wave at your shoreline so they know it's me. Babe boy from the cold seas, nitro with a new pen, go at ISO, tell him don't reach. Ice cold with it, no fleece. I'ma need safety, tell the op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety.
Toes, nails. So I just finished and now it's time for me to find something to eat. So on the hunt we go. Hi birdie. Oops, nope, I'm gonna get the one with chicken. A little bread situation. The detoxifier, yummy yummy. This looks so yummy, so much. Here's my hand in comparison, I'm gonna zoom out. Wow. That is a lot. And this is a chilled lychee tea. It has mint in it as well. Oh, and I believe that is the liquid sugar that they brought over just in case. You can taste the lychee definitely, but it needs a little sweetener. You can see the lychee pieces at the bottom. So good. The cucumber drink was really good, but I probably should have got 2 of those instead of that cucumber drink. This is delicious. Alrighty, the food was delicious and I'm about to make my way back. But first, I need something sweet, and there's a bakery She just said it. It's a bakery up here to the right. It's like a 3-minute walk or whatever. So I'm gonna hit that place up first and then catch a grab bike back to Sitco Guest House, friends. And this is officially my last night here. So sad. So cute. All right. So pretty. Hello. It's so pretty in here. Oh my gosh. I like to just get something to go. Oh wow. Yeah. This is what I think I want, like the tiramisu crepe. Look at how many layers. Oh, and then they have red velvet. Ooh, okay, I think I want that too. Okay, I think I want 2 things. Oh, it's so pretty out here. My goodness. Oh, so pretty. My little to-go box. My ride will be here shortly, so I'm gonna tuck this away in my little bag. I'm a little sweaty, but so I have to tuck this in. This is so long. Here's the yummy cheesecake. Look at that. It's cake-like, and then the top is like a little hard, almost creme brulee or brulee. Looks yummy. And I'm watching The Last Kingdom on Netflix. It's yummy. It tastes like almost like a pound cake. Yeah, like a very soft pound cake. It tastes so good. Look at that. This is beautiful, nice, clean, airy, bright room. It sucks because I thought they said it was elevators here, and I didn't see no elevator, and they just carried up both of my luggages up them stairs. Ooh, I feel so bad. But yeah, we in this piece. Time to like get life going, or not. Or not. The beach is like a 13-minute walk from here. I'm excited, but it's just way too hot to be out in these streets right now. So maybe after 4 o'clock. It's not even 2 o'clock here yet. So I'm gonna woosah. Woosah.